99% of dropshippers fail before they make their first sale. But guess what? It's not because dropshipping is dead, it's because nobody told them what I'm about to tell you. Hello, my name is Julian and welcome to the channel. If you stay till the end of the video, I will be giving away a free consulting call to guide you further on everything you need to know before dropshipping in 2025. First things first, dropshipping is not dead. You've probably seen a bunch of people online saying it's too late or too saturated. The reality, dropshipping has evolved and the lazy stores that look like scams don't work anymore. Most people fail because they expect overnight results, and when they don't get it, they quit. I remember when I launched my first store, I thought I'd make 10 grand in 3 months, but instead I made 3 sales. But here's what matters. I learned faster than 99% of people around me, and the reason was simple. I treated every mistake as a lesson and not a failure. You see, if you treat your first 30 days as your training camp instead of your payday, you win faster. The lesson that I learned that day was to stop chasing shiny objects. Today we're testing ads on TikTok, tomorrow it's Facebook, then UGC, maybe influencer marketing, and YouTube Shorts. Stop wasting time when you can just pick one and master that one skill. The reason is, if you dominate one channel, you'll scale later. But if you try to be average everywhere, you'll lose everywhere. Now, let's talk about your launchpad, which might sound cheesy, but I can tell you right now that it works and will help you achieve your goals. Your mindset is the key focus of your success, and understanding your why is the biggest. Why do you want to make this change and take this step to succeeding your business? I know before I didn't have a solid foundation of my why. Instead, I went into this fresh and thinking, if I dedicate myself to 4 hours a week and go really hard during that time, I can compensate for all the extra time I needed to have. Like watching my favorite shows, playing games, and wasting time on Instagram. Just making any excuse to keep me from working, but calling myself an entrepreneur to be a part of the grind set. All because I was too busy. After finding out my why, everything started to connect better. The second I realized that $50 isn't going to make me a millionaire, just because I saw someone else do it online doesn't mean it's true. You see, I needed a strategy so I could position myself to think that I am a business owner and needed to think like one. So I treated it like one, which means coming up with building blocks to effectively get my momentum going, such as learning different product research methods, how to create a high converting store, budgeting my business expenses, growing my Facebook pages, as well as running ads with different marketing strategies. That also meant I needed to learn editing too, instead of playing freelancer roulette. And listen, if you want to speed this up and skip past months of trial and error, I offer a mentorship program where me and my team guide you through each step of the way that I just listed. So make sure to check it down in the description below if you're serious on making that change you're looking for. So now you know why most fail and why you won't, and how to move smart in 2025. But before I let you go, biggest mistake most beginners make is that they pick the wrong product. In this video, I will be showing you exactly how to pick a winning product in 15 minutes, even if you never sold anything. But before I send you over there, let me set you up on this tool so you can follow along with me. So shout out to AutoDS, because this is the top and best product research tool that you can use for a 30-day trial only for $1, as it helped me and my students. This is Julian with Supreme Ecom, and thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like and comment mentorship with your biggest takeaway from this video, or a chance to win a free one-on-one consulting call showing you how to improve your dropshipping business. I'll see you later.